Hey guys, my name is Rudy and welcome to Cooking with Rudy. This is the Cleanse Liver Shake. This is the Express Edition. I've been doing this for 8 days now. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm going to run this till the ingredients are out. I will share more and stuff, but this is the fast version of how to make this. Blender. This is modified design to hopefully work this time a little bit better for blenders that have a flat top like mine here. So, here's what we do. We get 2/3 cup of water. Pour it in the blender. Get our banana. And we chop it up in small pieces. Take an apple, and we dice it with this little dicer thing you can't see on the screen here. If you get the automatic little dicer, because I can't think of any other way to dice an apple, this little thing is pretty awesome. 4 pieces out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 apple will do you the rest of the day. What we're going to do is we're going to set this thing started here. Get it kind of moving. And actually we're going to put in our kale. Spin this around a little bit. That's good for the moment. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 12 leaves of spinach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-ish. By the way, I want to say thank you to Joe Moss for making all this possible. You have to say this is my 8th day of this, and I'm feeling pretty good about this. Feeling a little skinnier, a little bit more energy. I'm not sure about the thing, but obviously green stuff is really good for you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-ish. Supposed to 12 pieces of this too. And what we're going to do is, my modification here, adding some fresh mango. So I diced up the mango, and this will be 1/3 cup of mango. Dump that in here. The secret to making this taste actually awesome is, this is going to leak, frozen berries. Same thing. This is 1/3 cup. And this will actually make it taste good. My thing about health foods, or any kind of a craze thing, is it's got to actually taste good. Otherwise, I won't do it. 1 generous scoop. Okay, put this up. Next up is flaxseed meal. I usually do 1 spoon. This stuff I've been doing generous because I have a lot of this stuff and it's really good. And finally, the only artificial ingredient in this whole thing, that's actually the protein. Now I've kind of cut this back a little bit to a little bit less than a full scoop. So-ish. Now we're going to close everything up and spin. Right into it, stop grinding, more or less. Like I said, 8 days of shake, supposed to be 10-day diet-ish, 10, 8. I'd say stuff is actually pretty good. If you look at the texture of this thing, it's actually pretty smooth. Again, like I said, it's gotta be good. It's gotta be good tasting. Here's to good health. Thanks for watching. If any questions or comments, let me know. Again, big credit to Mr. Joe Moss. I appreciate you. Love your cleanse. Cheers.